47-year-old man was shot dead today over land dispute at Imphal. The deceased has been identified as Kababam Nanao of Uripo Kababam Lekai. Reportedly, the victim went out for a morning walk with 54-year-old Yumnam Nilachandra of Uripo Kababam Lekai. Later, a contractor Premjit of Uripo Pachaspati Lekai shot Nanao on his head with a licensed gun, who later succumbed to his injury at Rims Lamphel. Cops have arrested the man accused Premjit while his accomplice Nilachandra is still absconding. The Manipur Tribal Indigenous Farmers Committee has called a shutdown of national highways in Manipur from today till tomorrow. The ban has been imposed against government of Manipur's decision on re-engaging retired Chief Engineer L. Brojendra Singh as the Chief Engineer cum Technical Consultant of Tribal Affairs and Hills. Ahead of Yaksang Festival, the Jiribam district disposed 126.5 litre of local brewed liquor, 186 bottles of Indian-made foreign liquor, 8 canned beer and 4 Indian-made foreign liquor bottles. The Jiribam District Police handed over the seized liquor to Excise Department and disposed by setting them ablaze at Jiribam Excise Office Complex. The Supreme Court on Wednesday allowed a bench of pleas challenging Reserve Bank of India's circular of 2018, which had prohibited banks and financial institutes from providing services related to them. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of their units and verify the transfer of funds, operating independently of a central bank.